All right, so we got the new subwoofers in today. Here's just one. I'm going to do an unboxing on it for you guys. So it's a Dead Game Audio Storm V2 10D4, which is a 10-inch woofer, dual 4-ohm voice coil. I've finally decided I'm probably just going to stick with 10s for the F-150. And this is what I'm going to put in there. So I'm going to go ahead and start opening this up so you guys can see what's in here. So you can see their Dead Game Audio. It's still in the plastic bag in there and stuff. So give me a second. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out and show you guys what's going on. Okay, so here's the 10 from Dead Game Audio, the Storm version 2, out of the box. And for reference, there's the Black Diamond DIA T15 subwoofer. Both of these are rated for 1000 RMS, but you're going to see a big difference here pretty soon. I'm going to show you why I chose to go with Dead Game Audio again. My first pair of 10s that I've ever ran. So I'm pretty excited about that, especially one of this caliber. And the motor force on the 15 and the 12 for the DIA, the Black Diamond Audios, comes in around 12 or 13. It's okay, I guess, for kind of an entry-level sub or whatever, but not nearly enough motor force to do what I want to do, at least. But they did well. They get loud. Surprisingly, they did well. They took power well. They get loud. They get down. They get low. They do all that stuff. So these are both rated, like I said, for 1000 RMS, both the 12 and 15 of the Black Diamonds, as well as the Dead Game Audio Storm V210, the 1000 RMS. But I'm about to show you something that you guys be the judge of this. Like I said, I have ran the 12 of the Dead Game Audio Storm series, so I already kind of know what to expect, and I'm pretty sure this is going to be a very good experience as well with the 10s. So these will be going in the F-150. Like I said, I bought these to try them out, to just see what I could get out of them, and also the 12s, and they did very well. I know it's a big difference going from, a 15, a 12 to a 10, but we've got a lot of motor force here. These are, like I said, up at 30 on the motor force on the BL. These are 12 and 13, I think 12 and a half or so for the 12, and just a little over 13 for the 15, so that is the 15, rated for 1K RMS. It looks a little bigger in person as far as the motor structure. The camera kind of makes it look really kind of fish-eyed, kind of tapered down. But it's not too bad for a entry-level 1K RMS sub. It doesn't have the flat tinsel leads. It's got the round, and they're woven. But that's okay, because these are not going to be seeing, more than a 1500 or so. Storm version 2 10-inch here. Quite the difference. Wider, taller. The whole motor structure is just a lot bigger on the Storm series. And the Storm series, I absolutely love the way it looks with that basket. Oh, check this out. Look at those giant dual tinsel leads. Love it. For sure 8 gauge, might even be 6 gauge terminals, so plenty for wiring up some 10 gauge wire, which is plenty. Very nice, very good looking sub, very well put together. Kind of tilt it over here so we can look down in there. Turn on the light for it. It's got a nice glue joint. Nothing sloppy or excessive. but good enough. There is a look at the triple joint and the glue. Again, very, very well done. The Spyder, it's got a bolted on hold down ring, and I believe it is glued, so that's good. The cone, very rigid, very, very, very strong cone. And, you know, I guess everybody likes to see the black glue on the coils, the high temp glue. So there it is. Yeah, it has it too. Now we'll come to the bottom of the motor structure, and you'll see it has adequate venting. It's got like got a pretty big thumb there, and it goes in there no problem. So yeah, it's a inch and a half pole vent, and then it's got the smaller, looks like 1/4 inch vents for the coil. So just real quick, wanted to just go show you this again, that this is a 10 inch, this is a 15 inch, 1000 RMS, 1000 RMS. You be the judge of that, because I did throw a lot of power at these and they did not burn up. They get a little stinky, you know, you can smell the coil. And I wouldn't run them at full tilt all the time because, I mean, obviously I'm expecting too much from them. But if that takes 1000 RMS, this should cruise with 1000 RMS. So we'll see. Again, Dead Game Audio. I think when I weighed this one weighed, this and the 12 were within a pound of each other. So I think these were about 21 pounds. I have not weighed this one yet. I'm going to say it's probably 32 or 33. So right off the rip, it's over 10 pounds heavier. And it's obvious that the motor structure is to thank for that. Go check them out, deadgameaudio.com. I'm telling you guys, these are some killer subs. The experience I had with the 12s, the Storm Series, you know, it says 1000 RMS, but let me tell you, I've put a lot more than that through them. And yeah, check it out. These are really, really well built, put together. The quality, you know, for the price is just awesome.